Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the end of November, so today is the 30th of November and it's just approaching 7 o'clock. The Chinese PMIs came in slightly above expectations, and I saw one report which said that the Australian dollar has made gains on it. It looks like it's gone up about 17 pips to me, so I don't see that really as a big problem. So there we go. We're still below the 50, although we do have this slight upturn. We got a short ratio of 2.33 to 1. Um, I think the commercials will have a little bit more of a ratio after the rise. I think Tuesday was about there. So, we might see more of a bearish stance by the commercials at the end of the week. Um, as I say, we're still below the 50. This hasn't reached my expected 77. I was expecting a little bit more of a pullback on it. As we sell down through my position here, I'll be adding to my trades. But there we go. Bit of a disappointing pullback, that. But not so the pound. The pound has it's soared against the dollar. We've had this upturn in the pound. I actually put a short trade on yesterday, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. It's got a little bit more strength overnight. We've got a commercial short ratio and a speculator short ratio. Again, we'll see how that fares on Friday. And we're coming up to the 69.1. It'll be nice if we sort of go up and over and we can get another trade in, perhaps short. So let's see where that goes. USD CAD, yeah, we've had a week of going up. I've nearly got to my trade here, nearly at entry, so that'll be nice. I think there's a lot more upside in this. The oil price has weakened this week. I've got a couple of trades nicely in profit on that. We've got a commercial short ratio for the Canadian dollar of 2.82. I kind of think that might be a little bit. There might be a little bit more, because I mean, let me go. Tuesday was back down here somewhere, so we might see a little bit more of an uptrend in that. We've crooked over a little bit. We're still above the 50 on the RSI, so we'll wait and see where that goes. Euro USD, a little bit of a pullback. I think I've got one of my trades knocked out, so on stop. So we'll see. I'm expecting more weakness in the euro. We've got a commercial short ratio of 1.67, but basically, well, fundamentally, I don't see any really good news for the euro. Actually, doing a deal with Britain isn't actually great news for the euro. We'll see where it goes, but over the next couple of weeks, I expect to see more weakness on the euro. We're below the 69.1, but still above the 50. We'll see where it goes, but not looking for a big move up. I've got knocked out on the USD Japanese yen. My trades at the top have been knocked out. Leaves me a small trade down here at the bottom. We've got a commercials ratio of 4.27 to 1, long the Japanese yen, but short the pair. We're just coming up to the 50 on the RSI. We'll see where that goes. Bit of strength in the US dollar. This has actually weakened the silver price, so that's quite good for me. We'll see where it goes. Hopefully it'll bounce nicely off the 50. USD Swiss franc, again, I think I've had a couple of trades knocked out. We're on the way back down again. We've had a week really where we've been going higher. We've gone higher. We're coming back down. We're still below the 50 on the RSI and flat. So I think this has had a little bit of a pullback, and we're going to see it come back down now. There is on the blue line here, we've got a little bit of resistance, so hopefully that'll hold. Right, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, we seem to be bottoming out here. The commercials have changed their ratio to long, and the speculators are short. Um, if you look at the candles, they've made a lower low, but the RSI has made a higher low. So that did point to maybe it turning up. Um, it started to go up, and basically we've seen a bit more strength come into for the US dollar, and we're just bouncing about on the bottom now. This isn't my favourite currency to trade at the moment, so we'll go to silver, where I appear to be doing a tad better. My trade's coming to profit, and I've put a stop in. I've put another trade in, so hopefully this will move nicely down for me. I've now got two trades slightly in profit, so hey ho. As this shoots down towards the floor, I will be adding to my trades. That's the myth. So we'll see where that goes, but hopefully it should continue down for me. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and that's all for today. Cheers now.